Adobe Premiere Pro free download. In this video, I'm going to show you the quickest and easy way to get the legal version of Adobe Premiere Pro. To get started, head down and click the link in the description. This is going to take you across to the official Adobe website. Choose your country and then head up to the top left-hand side, click on that creativity and design, and under featured products we're going to select Premiere Pro. Now you can have a look at all the amazing features you get inside of Premiere Pro, but what we want to do is download Premiere Pro, so we're going to select the free trial button. Then you can choose between the Premiere Pro plan and the Creative Cloud Pro. The only difference is in the Creative Cloud Pro you get access to try out all the apps from Adobe, including Photoshop, Illustrator, and Premiere Pro, which is what we want to download. Then we need to choose a subscription. There's monthly, annual billed monthly, and annual prepaid. Now the pricing might be a bit different depending on when you're watching this video, but remember the annual billed monthly is a bit cheaper, but there are fees that apply if you decide to cancel early. So we like to choose the monthly option, even though it costs a little bit more. We're going to add in the 7-day free trial of Adobe stock, because with the 7-day free trial, you get the 10 standard free assets and you can cancel it before the trial ends if you would like to. Then click the blue continue button. Then we're going to enter our email address and then just double check the amounts here and check that it is in fact the free trial, that your due now is 0, and then check the date that your 7-day free trial ends. Then in step 2, we're going to enter our payment information, and then the Creative Cloud app is going to download on your Mac or your PC, and then inside of that we can download Premiere Pro. If you get stuck anywhere along the way or you have any questions about the Adobe Premiere Pro download, let us know in the comment section down below and we'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy Premiere Pro as much as we do.